Hey my dear sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manhwa. This is new Manhwa, Red Witch's Mansion. Chapter 1. Hello, my name's Isabel. I'm just a commoner. Bet you're wondering why I'm looking sullen like this at midnight in the mountains. Because I was sent here to be sacrificed for the witch. Shit, my life really sucks. Huh. It all started a while back. A rural village in a remote area. Come to think of it. When was the last time it rained? 300 years ago, a big disaster befell the village. Half of the village was burned to ashes, which people called it the Red Night. The culprit of the conflagration is none other than the Red Witch. The witch, known for her ruthlessness and selfishness, has haunted the village with famine for a long time. Eventually, those who couldn't stand it tried to kill the witch together, but failed. Because of that, the village earned the witch's wrath. And the village was faced with calamities. The witch then disappeared. It took about 10 years for the village to recover. After many years of peace, one day another famine came back. People were taken aback and wondering if it wasn't over. The priest who witnessed it surmised that it's the witch's curse. So, what's the connection with my situation? Because this time the village was in trouble, they decided to sacrifice me. Because I don't have a sibling or parents. Those cowards. And that's how I ended up like this. In a lung transplant. I'm not gonna let those damn villagers off the hook. I should have set the village on fire. Especially that weak grandpa from the bar. I'll definitely take revenge on you. My granddaughter. Surely not. How about Isabel? She's an orphan. Right. If I want to take revenge, I've to survive first. It's not like I came here without preparation. I knew this would happen, so I brought this with me in advance. I won't act fate as it is and do nothing. First, I've to hide carefully, and when she shows up, I'll throw this rock to get her attention. And then, of course with this knife oh, dear, that's dangerous. It melted. Why don't we talk for a moment? Red hair. There's no mistake. Are you lost? This woman is the Red Witch. If I get caught, like the knife before, I will. I'm not a bad person. I see. So you're not a bad person. See, as if. You're a lunatic who melted my knife. Piss off. My eyes. I should be safe by now. Hold on, there's no way. She had caught me. At first glance, she's tall and friendly but a bit intimidating. I could have swung the knife at her right in front of her and she wouldn't bug. Because she knows I can't beat her even if I'm serious. She's toying me. That's why no one ever comes back after being sacrificed. Let's think about running away first. Careful. This is bad. Why, there's a damn trap here. Damn it. I don't want to faint here. Whatever, whether I die here or at the witch's hands, the end is the same. Where the hell am I? This ceiling is unfamiliar. I guess I'm screwed. Am I dead? So this must be heaven, right? Please be true. I've lived hard. It's so comfortable here. I've never slept in such a warm place before. And the bed is super fluffy. I don't wanna get to her. Then do you want to live here with me? Oh, this is not heaven. Hi. My legs. I got you out of the trap and healed you. Wouldn't that make me I am your lifesaver? Aren't you a witch? So, doesn't a witch have that thing? You know, to cure everything immediately. I do. Not have. How rough. Don't make weird noises. Cut me some slack. My magic is meant to destroy. So healing isn't my strongest forte. I tried to heal you as much as I can. Destruction. Why are you suddenly becoming quiet? Never mind. Far away. Also, because you're so hostile toward me, I thought you can't act violently with that condition, Tilda. Oh, I forgot to ask the most important thing. What is it again? You are not the one who changes my clothes, right? And if that's the case. Wait. I'm just joking. You're really strong, too. Shocked. I changed your clothes. So please calm down. A child. Oh, it's nice to meet you. I'm Helena, a servant of this mansion. Servant of the mansion, Helena. Glad you came at the right time. Can you get some clothes for this girl? If I help her change, I think she'll beat me. Yes, Miss Carmen. Carmen. So that's her name. Well then, I'll leave it to you. I'll brush myself. No, please just sit down. Hey, I have a question. Is there anyone else in this mansion besides you? No, I'm the only servant in this mansion. In this large mansion, Miss Carmen does most things with magic. I'm just an assistant. You're looking at me as if why she makes me work to the bone when everything can be done with magic. Because I asked her. She refused, but I'm quite stubborn. Miss Carmen saved me from being sold into slavery as a child. That's why I wanted to be of some help to her. Maybe she's not as bad as I've heard. All done. You're ready now. I feel like I'm playing as an aristocrat. It looks good on you. You're beautiful. Sit here. Do you like it? Cute. Right, I haven't asked your name yet. What's your name? Isabel. What about you? Isabel. What a pretty name. My name is Carmen, whatever you want to call me. Which Carmen? Thank you. Honestly, I don't know what would have happened in the mountains without you. I can't live in debt, so tell me what you want, and I'll do what I can to fulfill it. What I want. What? My heart. That's a little. Pick something else. That's not what If you stop by my room tonight, I think that should be enough. You can't sleep alone. How old are you? And yet you're still. Pete. This is the first time I got this response. And one more thing, there's something I need to be sure of. The legend of the Red Witch speculating in my village. Is you, isn't it? I told her the whole story. What I grew up hearing, all the horrible things the witch did. Truth is, I believed the rumor at first. But after I met you, What's funny? The more she listened, the more she laughed maniacally. Is that what they told you? Huh, how funny. So, what do you think? How do I look like in your eyes? I can't utter any words. Apologize, I got a little too emotional. Think whatever you want, you don't have to feel intimidated. What's with her? Why is she mad at me? Thank you so much for supporting me. If you like my video, so please comment me and subscribe. Okay, thank you and bye bye.